Hey guys, how's it going? It's Mac. In this video, we're talking the Patriot Mack Belt. Now let's take a closer look. This is our Patriot Mack Belt. So this is a really amazing belt. One of the things that we do is we 21 stamp our American flags, right? So that's out of honor and remembrance of all of those who have made this country what it is, right? The brave men and women who have worn a uniform and paid the ultimate price. So this is American leather, this is American steel. We machine all of our own hardware, right? So this is made from 316 stainless steel. And this belt is gonna last you a very, very, very long time. So let's look at the screws. So one of the things that we do differently is rather than cut our threads, we roll them on, right? So we roll on our threads. What that means is it's just gonna make a better screw, right? A lot of companies use rivets. We use screws just because when you guys are wearing a belt and maybe carrying, important tools that you don't want to go missing, that is really dependent on the quality of the gear that secures it to your person. So check that out. We slot these with we use a horizontal mill to slot all of our screws. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut to a video real quick of that. This Brown & Sharp horizontal milling machine is what we use to slot our American-made screws with. Check it out. Yeah, guys, so that's the machine that slots every screw. So we blank out all of our barrels, all of our rails on a 1950 Brown & Sharp automatic screw machine. And this is just a really high quality buckle and really high quality leather. And it's gonna be, every part of it is handmade. So you guys can see, it's just an absolutely beautiful belt. So if you guys want a belt that's gonna last you a long time, you can go to mackbelts.com. You can learn more about what we do and how we do things. We look forward to earning your business. Thanks for watching. If you guys want to support a 100% American-made belt company that puts veterans and vintage machines back to work, then head to macksbelts.com and gear up with the toughest on earth. I look forward to going to work for you. Thank you.